So you know what today is? Another cooking day. So my friend is here and I'm going to be cooking something special for her. I'm going to be cooking sweet potato stuffed with chicken, cheese, mixed with a little bit of goma sauce, and it's going to be baked in my lovely microwave oven here. After that, I am going to make a chicken soup. I am going to make a chicken spinach rice ball fried. Happy cooking! Let's get started. This is the spinach rice ball. Green peppers, red peppers, celery, crab mix with cheese, the chicken. I have this mixed vegetable that I got from the supermarket and Maggi for the soup base. Cheese over here, onions, garlic, green onions, goma sauce, cream cheese, and butter. For my seasonings, of course, I have salt, chili powder, garlic, cloves, black pepper, ketchup, oil that's good for your body, and olive oil. I have my 4 sweet potatoes that I am going to bake for 1 hour at 170 degrees Celsius. That's about 330 degrees Fahrenheit. In the meantime, I'm going to get the soup started. Onions, garlic, set this aside. You want to make sure that they're golden brown. I took the sweet potatoes out of the oven. I'm going to scoop them out and mix it with the chicken and the crab. Some jalapenos in there. Bon appetit.